talk, just Rat Pack. Besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinai said that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf. Rat Pack till my last breath. I cut records like Kid Cudi. Day and night, that's all the time. From the underground to the mainstream, my same team get all the shine they wanna be.
My name is Alan. Welcome back to another video. This is Driven Daily. Today we are going to be launching the Dodge Charger Scat Pack. I'm going to show you guys how to do it properly. I do have a video of it, but I didn't actually show you how to exactly do it properly. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So let's go into the car and show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, so we're in the usual menu here, so we're going to go ahead and hit launch control. So now that we are in the launch control, this is the race option. So you can set your RPMs. Right now I've set it up to 2000 RPMs. It is best at 1500 for the street, but I'm going to go ahead and say fuck it, let's do it at 2000 because I haven't done it at that high before. And we're going to do it with the pedal commander on. So that's going to be really fun. So we'll do that probably in just sport. So yeah guys, so when we do it, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it in here, but my wife's gonna step out and do my takeoff. But when you hit it, activate launch control. So it's gonna pop up obviously to launch. Your vehicle must be in drive, but it's going to show you how to do it in the gauge cluster. So basically it's going to say push the brake down and apply throttle quickly. So you're going to press the brake down all the way to the floor, and then you're going to hit the gas pedal, and then what that's going to do, you're going to hear the charger pretty much, you'll see it outside, you'll hear the RPMs go up. And I won't be going anywhere, but as soon as I let go of the brake, I'll take off, and at 2000 RPMs. So that's how you guys do it. We'll do maybe one launch outside the car and maybe one inside the car for you guys, just so you guys know how to do it. First one we'll do on the outside, so let's get it. Alright guys, so we're going to be doing the launch inside the vehicle. So like I said, it's already set 2000 RPMs. So we're going to go activate launch mode. And now that it's on the thing, we're on the side of the road, so we're going to move on to the actual road here and then go for it. And then brake down and throttle to the floor and go.
The speed limit is 70 kilometers per hour.
So you've seen it. We're right now stopped at London Drugs here real quick. But yeah guys, so that's pretty much how you do it. So I mean, really just set your RPMs how you want it. I mean, I don't have drag tires or anything, so 1500, like I said, is good for street. If you guys don't have, if you guys just have regular street tires. But yeah, guys, so you know, you can kind of set up high as you want it. It goes up to 3500. It's about as high as you can get it, and yeah. So that's it guys. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by guys. Don't forget, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, don't forget to hit that little notification bell as well, so you guys can stay up to date with the videos. You guys, you know when I upload next. You know, like I said, I try to upload twice a week at least. So I just actually edited a video. It's coming out tomorrow morning, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, it's coming out tomorrow morning at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So yeah, guys, I'm just killing it with this upload, with these uploads. Like, I'm just gonna keep uploading. Content's coming your way, guys. So anyways, guys, have a good night, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love